Welcome. Brief introduction of Eurotech Assessment and Certification Services Private Limited. Who we are. Eurotech Assessment and Certification Services Private Limited conceived its business operations in the year 2008. Our brief service entity includes CE marking certification services, electrical testing services, welder training services, social audit services, and many more services in the list. Our organization is highly recognized in the industry because of its incomparable qualities such as superior service quality, supportive team members, and guidance of experts. Why us? We acquired a paramount position in the industry with immeasurable support of our workforces. We have always advised our customers with a rich assortment of services and products with quality at par assured. Our sheer methods of dealing, client-centric approaches, ethical policies, and commitment to keep the qualities maintained has made us foremost choice among our customers. We have made indigenous efforts so as to last a longer relationship with our customers. The group of companies, main company is Eurotech Assessment and Certification Services Private Limited, Institute of Testing and Certification ITC India Private Limited, Medical Devices Life Sciences Private Limited, and Standard Test Equipment ST India Private Limited. We have got the footprints in India as well as abroad. Our headquarters is at Mohali near Chandigarh, Ghaziabad in NCR, Delhi, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Chennai, Coimbatore, Tirupur, Lucknow, and Hardwar. We got footprints in Middle East, in Dubai and Sharjah, Ireland, Greece, UK, Canada, and USA. Our collaborations with the reputed organizations like American Welding Society, CWI UK for the ISO 9001 systems, Eurocert Greece, CQI and BQ India, Indian Institute of Welding, API, and the NABL. What we do? We normally do the welder certifications under the standards of ISO 9606, 15614, 14731, 14732, and 3834. We also do for the ASME Section 9 and American Welding Society D1.1. The courses like AWS-CWI, AWS-CWSR training, API Q1 training, ISO 9001-2015 Foundation, Internal Auditor and Lead Auditor training, ISO 13485-2016 MET training, photometric training. We have the ISO 17025-2017 Testing and Calibration Labs, SA 8000 training, problem solving, ISO 27001 training, and risk management training. We also carry out certified welding inspector, quality assurance and quality control welding inspector training, NDT and DT, that is non-destructive testing and destructive testing training, welding supervised training, welding coordinator training, composite welding or for all processes, welding qualification certification, customized welding training, and finally the basic welding training. Under the AWS-CWI trainings, we conduct number of courses like CWI, that is a Certified Welder Inspector, AWI is Certified Associate Welding Inspector, Senior Certified Welding Inspector, and CWE is Certified Welding Engineer, CWS is Certified Welder Supervisor. We also do the training for API Q1 training, API U9 Fundamental Addition course, API Q1 training, API U9 Practitioner Addition course. Under the ISO 9001, we carry out the foundation course. We also carry out internal auditor training and internal auditor workshop. We also carry out the training for ISO 13485 foundation course regarding the medical devices. We have an NABL accredited lab for the photometry, and we carry out testing as well as the training of the photometry. ISO 17025 2017 internal auditor course for the testing and calibration of labs. ISO 27001 lead auditor course regarding information security. SA 8000 foundation cum internal auditor course for data quality services. Got the problem solving training for any of these corporates as well as the organization with a large employee base. Risk management training is ISO 31000 2008. We conduct this training. And finally, the certification. We carry out the product certification, EMI, EAMC testing, compliance certificate, and ISO 900 2015 certifications, LM testing, that is LM 79 testing, CE marking certificate, and EC certificate. Finally, we also carry out free welding webinars where the candidates can register with the particulars of name, email ID, and mobile phone, and they can experience the online free welding webinars, which will be very, very educative for the individual. The individuals can share their particulars to our contact details, which are given below. And in case anybody is interested in doing any of these welding courses, he is most welcome, and he can undergo this practical training at our Mohali office. Thank you very much.